Meaning of Marilyn Monroe.
Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe.
Proper noun.
Definitions. 1. 1900 to 62, American actress and model, known for her blonde hair, voluptuous figure, and early death from a drug overdose. Examples. 1. In the 1950s and 60s, Marilyn Monroe was the epitome of glamour and femininity. 2. Marilyn Monroe's iconic image has endured long after her tragic death. Note, as a proper noun, Marilyn Monroe is not categorized into multiple parts of speech or definitions, as it is a specific name referring to a particular person.
Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe.